Okay, that's my bike check here. I did a lot since my last bike, so let me tell you guys. I guess I'll start from the front. Hit the Odyssey medium lever, the white linear slick cable, and that's going down to fly brakes. They stop amazing. I would recommend getting those. And I have the Fly Rubin grips. And then up here I have the McNeil silencer bars. And then I have the Fit Series 2 forks. And the Eastern Pro front wheel. It's pretty light, it's 2 pounds. The Odyssey P-Lite tire. And the We the People integrated headset. And I have this fly stem here. I wrought it out. I think gave it a sweet look. And then my frame itself is a S&M LAF. And it has a sealed mid-bottom bracket. And I have the Odyssey wand bolt cranks. And going along I have the Fly Rubin pedals. And I have the 28 tooth FBM sprocket. And then I have the Animal pivotal seat and the wedge seat post. It's pretty cool because as soon as you tighten the bolt, it locks in place and you don't need a seat clamp. It's regular chain back to my Odyssey rim, the Odyssey cassette hub with black spokes to a hazard light rim, and I have a Snafu tire on there. And then I have 2 aluminum pegs, nothing special. A DK chain tensioner. And that's pretty much the bike. Yeah, I'm just filming this to test out the camera. I just bought a Sony HDR HC3 off eBay, so just testing it out. Quality is amazing for it being an HDV using the mini DV tapes. It's pretty nice. Program I have sucks, so it doesn't let me upload in full 1080. So it's not going to be full quality, but it's going to be good. Okay, comment and rate. Tell me what you think.